Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Korean miso stew with beef. Deonjang Jjigae is Korea's most iconic and beloved soup. It's savory and comforting and a great accompaniment to any Korean meal. Let's get started. You want to use authentic Korean soybean paste. There's really no substitute. Miso is packed with so much umami that we won't need any salt or other seasonings for this recipe. Medium firm tofu is ideal for this soup. This is a big block, so we'll use half of it. Slice into bite-sized cubes. This is about 3 ounces of tri-tip, but you can use any fatty cut of beef. Just make sure you slice against the grain. This is a very large zucchini, so we'll use about 1/3 of it. Slice into 1/2-inch chunks. This is a very large onion. We'll use about 1/4. Cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add this Fresno chili for some spice, but it's optional. You can leave it out or add Gochugaru instead. We're also using some russet potato. It'll help thicken the soup. Fry the beef in sesame oil over medium heat. Once it's brown, add 1/4 cup of miso to start, and chopped garlic. Fry for about a minute. Then add 2 cups of water. I'm using rice water here. Bring to a boil, then add the onion, potato, and chili. Cover and simmer for a few minutes. Then add the zucchini and simmer until it's fully cooked. Then the tofu and green onion go in. Check for seasoning and add more miso if needed, and gochugaru if you want it extra spicy. Guys, this stew is hearty, warm, and savory. The beef is tender and the tofu and vegetables are so flavorful. You can have this as a main dish over rice or as a side to any Korean meal. Hope you try this iconic Korean stew. I'll see you at the next one.